Out hiking today, this set of falls. Taking the kids to see it.
There's another one over there.
Of course.
Two. One, two.
Yep. Got my son up on the rocks. It's a nice day.
Get up behind that cloud.